Today we will be showing you how to replace a tape cartridge magazine in an HP MSL5000 and 6000, Overland NEO2000, 4000, and 2000E and 4000E tape library. This replacement procedure will not require downtime. For these videos, we will be showing the replacement procedure using an HP MSL6000 tape library. However, the procedure is the same for the Overland NEO libraries as well. There may be a couple of reasons that you require a replacement magazine for your MSL or NEO tape library. Either the magazine is physically damaged and has pieces that have broken off, or you are having issues where one or more slots are not allowing tapes to be put and pulled correctly. If either of these events is occurring, you will need to replace the magazine. The first thing you will need to do is determine if you have LTO or DLT style magazines. This is determined by the model of drive in your library. All LTO model drives will use LTO style magazines, while all DLT and SDLT drives will use DLT style magazines. Once you have determined the appropriate style of magazine, you will first need to remove the broken one, if you haven't already done so. To do this, you will first try using the command to release the door on the side in which the faulty magazine resides. This should pop open the door and allow you to access the magazine. If this command fails, you will need to use the manual release to open the door. To use the manual release, you will need to obtain a paper clip and straighten it out so that it can be pushed into the manual release hole. This hole is located just below the opening of each magazine side and is noted by a small notch in the plastic as shown on screen. By inserting the paper clip into this hole, you will pop open the magazine access door and gain access to the magazine. Once the magazine is able to be accessed, you will be able to pull it straight back and out of the library. If the magazine will not pull out because the picker is stuck on a tape in the magazine, please stop immediately and open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. When you have the magazine out of the library, the first thing you will need to do is remove all of the tapes from the magazine and set them to the side. Please note, there are two different styles of magazine for this tape library. They are called Old Style and New Style. They will look visibly different, but the functionality of them is identical. We only stock and sell New Style magazines on the Rocket Plus website. This is because New Style can replace both Old and New Style magazines. However, Old Style magazines can only replace other Old Style magazines, but not New Style. On any New Style magazine, what you are specifically looking for as far as physical damage goes is the tracks on the bottom of the magazine. If you notice any missing pieces like you see on screen, you will need to locate them before proceeding. If you have Old Style magazines, you will not see the types of tracks on the bottom of the magazine, but you still need to examine the magazine for any broken pieces before continuing. Once you have verified that any broken magazine pieces have been removed from the library, you can install all tapes into the replacement magazine and then insert the replacement magazine into the library and close the magazine access door. The library will now inventory the replacement magazine and your library will be ready for production. We strongly recommend running an inventory job in your backup software prior to running any other jobs, so that if tapes were moved to different slots in your replacement magazine than in the original, your software will get the current inventory positions from your library before continuing production. Any questions about inventory procedures and backup software should be directed to your software support or manufacturer. If you are having any difficulties with the magazine replacement procedure, or the replacement magazine does not fix the errors you have been having, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.